Every January, you see the same scene. People on treadmills, red in the face, soaked in sweat, miserable. They're trying to burn belly fat by suffering harder. And here's the brutal truth. For most of them, the belly doesn't shrink. Sometimes it looks worse. Why? Because they're playing fat loss on hard mode. When you run hard, your body doesn't think fitness. It thinks emergency. Heart rate spikes, cortisol spikes. And cortisol chemically locks visceral fat in place. That fat around your organs. It's stress fat. And stress never responds to punishment. There's another way to play this game. We call it easy mode. Easy mode doesn't mean lazy. It means biologically aligned. The most effective movement for shrinking visceral fat isn't sprinting. It's walking, but not random walking. Walking with protocols that tell your hormones exactly what to do. Why walking beats running for belly fat. Today, I'll break down 5 walking hacks that turn a simple walk into a metabolic weapon. We'll touch GLUT4, translocation, the Bohr effect, and neuro-optic flow. If you hate cardio, have high cortisol, or want results without wrecking your joints, this is for you. At ChillFit Mode, we don't believe in suffering for the sake of suffering. We believe in engineering. You don't fight biology, you use it. Your body runs on 2 fuels, sugar and fat. When intensity is high, your body wants fast fuel. Fat burns slow, so it ignores fat and burns sugar. When sugar runs out, cortisol steps in. Muscle breaks down, hunger spikes, fat storage increases. You burn calories, but you burn the wrong calories. Walking in zone 2 changes everything. Heart rate stays low, oxygen stays high, the body feels safe. So it chooses fat. You may burn fewer calories per minute than running, but a far higher percentage comes directly from visceral fat. You're finally draining the tank you want empty. Hack 1. The glucose sponge walk. If you have belly fat, you likely have insulin resistance. Glucose stays trapped in the blood. Insulin rises, fat gets stored. The fix is timing. Walk for 10-15 minutes after your biggest meals. Here's why it works. Insulin normally opens the door for glucose, but muscle contraction opens a side door. That door is called GLUT4. When your legs move, GLUT4 pulls glucose into muscle without insulin. Your muscles act like a dry sponge. They soak up sugar before it can turn into belly fat. You bypass a broken system. You earn the meal immediately. Insulin drops. Storage mode turns off. Hack 2. The nasal-only rule. This is your built-in fat-burning speedometer. Too fast and you burn sugar. Too slow and nothing happens. The rule is simple. Breathe only through your nose. If you need to open your mouth, you're going too hard. You've crossed into sugar burning. Cortisol rises. Nasal breathing keeps you aerobic. That's where fat oxidation happens. There's more. Nasal breathing increases CO2 slightly. And thanks to the Bohr effect, CO2 helps oxygen leave the blood and enter cells. More oxygen in mitochondria equals better fat burning. It also releases nitric oxide. Blood vessels relax. The nervous system calms. You burn fat while signaling safety. That's the sweet spot. Hack 3. Light rucking. Walking alone eventually adapts. To keep progress going, add load. A backpack, 5 to 10 pounds. This recruits strength fibers without impact. Core, glutes, and back engage automatically. Calorie burn jumps 20-30%. But the real win is hormonal. Bone loading releases osteocalcin, a hormone that improves insulin sensitivity and metabolism. You're not just burning fat, you're upgrading the engine. Hack 4. The Optic Flow Reset. Visceral fat is cortisol fat, and cortisol comes from chronic stress. If you walk staring at a phone, you stay stressed. That's tunnel vision. Biologically, tunnel vision means threat. Instead, look at the horizon. Let your eyes scan wide and let the world move past you. This creates optic flow, a signal that tells the amygdala to stand down. Anxiety drops. Cortisol drops. Fat storage signals shut off. You're not just burning fat, you're removing the reason it exists. Hack 5. Fasted morning walks. In the morning, insulin is low. Glycogen is partially depleted. A 20-minute walk before breakfast pulls directly from fat stores. Add sunlight and you lock in your circadian rhythm. Cortisol peaks in the morning where it belongs. At night, it drops. Better sleep, better insulin sensitivity, faster fat loss tomorrow. The easy mode, reality. The body does not release weight when it feels attacked. It releases weight when it feels safe. These 5 hacks aren't about burning more calories. They're about signaling. Signal muscles to absorb glucose. Signal mitochondria to burn fat. Signal the nervous system to relax. Stack the signals. The belly softens. Energy returns. Tonight, don't plan a workout. Plan a walk, backpack on, mouth closed, eyes forward. Let biology do the work.